Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jira Bro and I'm bringing you a tutorial video, and we're gonna be talking about integrating the Confluence with your Jira because it's one of the most famous integrations right there. It's really easy, it doesn't require you to do a lot of stuff. So let's do it. First things first, actually in order to actually have your pages being added to Confluence, you actually need to make sure that you have your Confluence license / Confluence product being added to your site. So how the question is, okay, how can you check this? You can actually just click on the navigation, and within your apps you're gonna see the conflicts right there. If you actually don't have the conflicts being added, you can actually add this if you go to the administration, or if you type in the admin.atlassian.com. If you select your organization, and when you actually select your organization, so this is my organization right here, you go for products, and within the products you actually want to add a new product. One thing to keep in mind though, so this is only for the top tier admins. What actually this means? Sure, Jira administrators with administer Jira global permissions, they're cool, they're great, they have all of the power, almost all of the power, but the organization admins are the ones that you're actually looking for. Mostly you're also gonna be included as the org admin because companies don't want to go around and say, hey, we're looking for the organization administrator. It's like, okay, who's gonna do the work with with all of the schemes and permissions and everything that is in there? Well, permissions are actually having their permission schemes. You get the idea. So once you actually add your products, then you'll be able to add the pages. How do you actually add the page? So you go to your project, you're gonna see the project pages here. You want to click on them, and once you actually click on this, you're gonna connect this project to a Confluence space or a page. Yep, I'm gonna say connect to the Confluence, and I'm gonna go with spaces. So here's some of the spaces that basically they are actually here. I'm gonna say, you know what, I want to connect my Jira Brew space here, and the thing is, that's it. There's no like special integrations that you actually need to install within your apps and everything. No, it doesn't go like that. And also, you can edit, you can share, and you can also create a child page. So this is pretty neat. So you can see when it was created, when it was updated. So if I go for my page, this is even better thing. That is, you don't have to leave your Jira in order to go to Confluence. You can also open this in Confluence if you really want, but the advantage here is you don't really have to do. So everything is in one place, right? You don't just need to say, I'm gonna click on this, and you're gonna say, well, I have 3 or 4 more issues that I need to check and to see the pages, and you're thinking like, you know what, I'm just gonna stay in Jira. And for viewing the pages, that's what I wanted to say, because for each of the issues that you create in Jira, you can add their respective Confluence page, but here you can see everything that is that is related. And also in here you can connect a different space, or you can even create a page. Another even better idea, if you want, you can click on blank page or something like that, and straight from the Jira you can actually create the content for Confluence. And this is something that is pretty good. And yeah, that is the whole idea behind the integration of Jira and Confluence. And as you can see, they're creating one powerful duo, and you can actually leverage this however you want and however you need it. And yeah, that's everything that you guys need to know about this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.